Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to add music on your Facebook profile, just like I did right here. I won't pin it from my profile, but I'll show you how to do that. So I'll refresh, it's removed right now. So the way you want to do that is first you want to hit the like button, then hit the subscribe button. Then you want to open up the menu on your Facebook account. This is either in the bottom right corner or top right corner, iPhone, bottom right. So you want to go here, click on settings and privacy right here, and now you want to go down to audience and visibility, and you want to click on profile details. Here you want to go down until you find song or music. Should be, here it is, music. It will not have any for you, so you want to add song just like so. Just added like 5 songs just to test it out. The way you add a song is you click the plus icon and select whatever you like. For example, when you add a song just like this one, you want to go back, click the 3 dots, pin to profile. That's good. Now you can pin it to your profile, and that's all you have to do. If this video helped you out in any way, give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and if you're still having any questions or issues whatsoever, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to help you out. See you next one.